I think every guest here must be scratching their head. Why does this thing, how does this little thing work like this? So I'm keeping it very simple in a very simple terms, okay, how this works. So the first three words I always want to explain is non-transdermal, no injections, no creams, no pills, to regenerate you and repair you. So everyone, this is the world's first stem cell activation patch. It is called the X39. There is no stem cells inside this patch. Let me repeat that again. There is no stem cells in here. It's just organic crystals. But the patent, the technology is when these organic crystals touches your skin, because our body exudes light. It exudes energy. There's heat. So the technology is when the crystals touches the skin, it will send a signal back to the body to talk to the cells to turn on, activate, or stimulate the most powerful peptide in your body called GHK copper peptide. If you don't know what that peptide does, great. I did not know either until I went online and saw reverse aging with GHK.com. Immediately when this goes on your skin, and that's why we're seeing such fast results, it is repairing your DNA. It is repairing all 4,000 or more of your genes. It is turning on your collagen. It is doing a lot of things, but the most important thing, as it's doing everything, it is actually turning on your pluripotent stem cells. And those are stem cells that do not know what they are yet until they're told where to go. So just think of your body as like a computer, and this is your tune-up patch. When you put it on, it's gonna tune you up. And that's it, and it all depends on what issues are going in your body at the time. But why is this technology today so important? Because we don't have stem cells regenerating in our body all the time. So I'm going to kind of reverse it from the last time. Who here is over the age of 65? Raise your hand. Okay, great. So that means 80 to 90% of your own stem cells are not being produced, and it's not in your bloodstream. That's why the New England Journal of Medicine said we can tell by the youth of your body by how much stem cells are in your bloodstream. So let's go back. Who here is over the age of 35? Okay, all of us are. So at the age of 35, you already start losing or not producing or not regenerating any stem cells, 50%. So I want to take you from the age of 35 to 65. We have a 30-year gap where you're not producing any more stem cells. What is happening then? Exactly. We get into the pharmaceutical drugs. You live with your pain. You're going through all kinds of stuff, which is called oxidizing and just aging. So when you put on this technology, again, on your skin, you can literally peel it off. You can put it on the back of your C7, below your gut, or anywhere where you have issues. When you can start regenerating new stem cells, and it goes over older tissue, it will start making your tissues younger again. That's why you can see all of us in the last 3 years being in this community. We have already brought in over 35,000 members. A lot of them are my friends. We've been hanging out together, and I don't know why Suzanne McGee's looking younger every single day since the last time I've seen her, and all of us are like Victoria. Look at her. So well, if you want to see proof, look at all our partners and look at how they look today, or look at how they looked last year or the year before, depending on how long you use. So who is responsible for this technology? His name is David Schmidt. A little bit over 20 years ago, he came up with a technology for the Navy. And this technology, everyone, in simple terms, it's called light technology. But in medical terms, it's called photobiomodulation, okay? Basically, light technology. Now, David, in the last 18 years, since 2004, he created a company called LIFEWAVE. He has built the infrastructure of creating our own manufacturing. As we create our own products, we make our own ingredients that goes into our patches. He has created 2 manufacturing locations, one in San Diego and one in Ireland. We have fulfilled to over 81 countries where we are registered to. And the growth of this technology today is more bigger than ever, because a little bit over 12 years ago, David knew the world is going towards stem cells. Whether you inject it, whether they're creating products to activate it, but he knew that the light technology would do something different. He spent millions and millions of dollars, years and years of research and development, and long and behold, around at the end of 2018, he released this patch. And a few months later, he actually backed up with the X39 with a 20-year patent. So that means we are the only company in the world that deals with light technology at this level, and we actually have no competition. There is no company that can actually copy, create, and steal this technology right here from us. Why am I so excited about this more than ever? Because the whole world now, everybody understands about health. Everybody is afraid. Everybody wants to know how to prevent a lot of things. And everybody now knows that injections, creams, and pills takes things to absorb in the body. Why do you have to do that if you've been introduced to this technology and all you have to do is put it on your skin and just watch your body turn on? That is the most simplest thing that we can ever do to our body. Our company is growing like crazy all around the world. I think people today more than ever are just realizing, I want to save money, I want to help my friends, and if there's anything that I can do to help people light up also, I want to be part of it. So for all our guests here tonight, if you resonate with this simple information, and again, I kept it very simple for you to understand, if you really want to look at it deeper, the studies, the patents, our doctors, videos, please go to startx39now.com and you will see all the information on that one website.